guys, I just got off the metro, and now what? Sorry, not the metro, the bus. And now what I'm doing is I'm getting off. Look at this view. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. But yeah, it was so busy on the bus. Like I was fully like crammed to the wall. Like I've never seen a bus that busy. Like hello. Like why was it so busy? The heck? Like it was just like way too busy for my liking. Like no thank you. No thank you. Yeah, I'm just gonna follow my mom and stuff, cause like I don't know like where to go. I swear now we're at like why are people getting on? Oh wait, it's because like the thing. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, it's over here. Bruh. Oh, there was a staircase here the whole time. Okay, I'm just gonna wait here, you know. I like it. Okay, I'll try this. Okay. It's so loud. It's done. It is done, yeah. It is done. Yeah. Congratulations, we are finally home. Huh? Again? Okay, we are finally home. Like, we are on my home straight. Finally! Oh my god! It's 11 p.m. right now. It's 11 p.m. I think it's like almost 11:30 p.m. and it's actually crazy because, like, bro, like, I've never been out this late in Hungary. Well, I have, but like, I have. So yeah. Oh, it's so quiet. It's like weird to talk in like a normal voice because it's so quiet. My face is really close to my phone right now, so yeah, I can hear all of this. But yeah. See you guys when we get to the apartment building. You can't even see anything, it's so dark, which I'm really glad about. But there's like actual light here. Just gonna wait for my parents. Just gonna wait for my mum and my nan to come because I went to the fireworks with them. So like, I'm obviously not by myself. Like out here at this time, like obviously. This is early. A dangerous hour. Guys, what was your guys' favourite like bit of this vlog? Like comment down below, like. Home. See home. Ooh. And that is all for today's vlog. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the post notifications for more crazy vlogs like this. For more magnificent and crazy and chaotic vlogs.